As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin gave us here a red candle in that very stronger zone. As we mentioned in yesterday video, if you remember what else we told you we are in a very stronger zone. We told you, look at it, we touch it in the past, we fall down, we touch it in the past, we fall down, and now the third time we touch it here. Look at it guys here. Based on the history, the third time that zone is still stronger. That meant maybe we're going to fall down. Then after that we came back to test it again. Even that one it's possible. Now what the view, that's what we are going to discuss in today's video. By the way guys, before I continue, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. If it's possible and you like our content, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. I want to hear that from you guys. I want to know your thought. Did you learn something from us or no? You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. The trades we entered in them yesterday because you watching that video one day after we recorded. As you see it guys, that the trades we entered in them yesterday, also we show it to you here because we're going to show you the chart for you to be learning or to educated you why also using price action and how also we get those trades set up. As you see it guys, we enter a short in the Doge, we enter a short here in the Bitcoin, as you see it here, and all of them we close them green. Actually we left some of them to run now. If you want early access, down below in the description of that video there is the link of our Patreon guys. As you see it here, is it in the first two lines here. You click at it, you're going to land here in our Patreon. You will not see member option. As you see that button here, that one, you click at it like that. You're going to see here the member option guys. As you see, we got 3 member option here. We got that one here, the VIP member, the elite member, and the golden member. You choose what you want. You finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our private Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links of them are down in the description of that video, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. Even you can text me before you join us. You ask me more questions if you are not sure yet, and we're going to be happy to explain it that to you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the candle here, that red candle here, it closed today in a very stronger zone as we show you before. Now what the view? Me personally, as I told you in yesterday, the view maybe we are going to fall down to touch that zone here at 100k till 99k. That possible guys. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario, the Bitcoin came back from here and to break to go more higher. Even that one is possible guys. What we got else here in daily, we got something else. Let me show it to you. We got that one here. You remember what else we told you here? We told you we got here like a triangle like that. That the triangle guys. That one, if it's getting broke here, maybe we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping. If it's getting broke here, maybe we're going to see it going more higher. Second scenario, maybe that Bitcoin just going to fall down to touch the lower of that triangle here. Then after that to do like that to come back to touch the top here. Even that one it's possible. We got something else here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you. Here in daily guys, we got here a up channel like that. You remember it when us we showed it to you before. I'm talking here about the people that been with us here in that channel from the start of it. That channel here, we touched the lower of it here. Now there is one of two. Bitcoin is going to come back to touch the top of that channel. That's the first scenario. The second scenario, what is it guys? Bitcoin going to come back down and to break the lower of that channel here. And maybe it's going to dump to that low here. And that's going to be the baddest case scenario guys. We got something else here in daily. Let me show it to you. What we got guys, that the 50 moving average is exactly at 106,376. That means maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down to test it here. That's possible guys. Second scenario from here going to come back, but my view personally I think is going to fall down to test that 50 moving average at 106k. That's possible because even here based on the volume profile as you see it, that 106k is a very stronger zone. So maybe we're going to fall down to test it again. I think I explained everything to you guys. If you haven't understand something, you can text me down here, write down a comment, and also we're going to reply you to explain to you more. If you haven't understand something or you want me to explain something more, write down a comment and I'm going to explain to you more. Now, let me show you something very important. We showed it to you last Friday. Let me show it to you today. Last Friday, guys, also we came here to the channel and we told him, I'm talking about the past Friday. We came here, we told you the Bitcoin is going to spend all the week between that two zones here, 101k and 113k, and that's exactly what happened here, guys. You remember when also we tell it to you, I'm talking here about Bitcoin option zones, the pots down and the calls above here. Now, even for that week, from that Friday till the coming Friday, we need to find that two zones or that two levels. So let's go into that page where we're getting those things. So let's go in there together. Here we are, guys. That's the page where we're getting the levels of Bitcoin option. As you see it here, the coming Friday is going to be 11 of month 7 or July. By the way, those levels is not my all levels. It's just for education purpose, guys. Let me show you those levels together. As every time as we start from in the money, then we try to find the level for pots, then we find the level for calls. So let's doing that together, guys. Here we are, guys. We found the first level here at 103k, the number of pots 270, the number of calls 0, the total volume here $29 million. That meant that the first level here based on Bitcoin option or the pots here, and that the total value of Bitcoin it's being there in that zone of 103k. Now let's find in the levels for calls, guys. Here we are, guys. We found the level here as you see it, 113, the number of pots 0, the number of calls 296 Bitcoin, the total value is it there $31 million. So those was the levels, guys, as we said, 103k and 113k. So let's go in now to the chart to join the two levels together. There we are, guys. In the chart we came back again. We set the down level here 103k like that, and the top level is going to stay how it is, 113k. As you see, that meant them they're making the range more smaller here. That meant the Bitcoin in the view or the eyes of the Bitcoin option traders is going to spend another week sideways here. That's the view, guys, and that look normal because there is no volume those days. Majority of the people they are in holidays, and we are thinking till month 8 or September that when also we're going to see some volatility or some volume. At those days the market look like is it flat, so we need to deal with it like that, guys. I think I explained everything here. So those was the Bitcoin option levels. We came back to you the next Friday. You're going to see it Saturday, and we're going to show you the new levels, 113k now till 103k. Now we're going to see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, Bitcoin in 12 hours, it touched here the 20 moving average in 12 hours, guys. And as you see it, it showed there like a rejection here. Even here, based on the volume profile, we got a stronger zone here where we are exactly. Then the Bitcoin from here going to reverse upward. At this time, we don't got any sign here telling us maybe the Bitcoin is going to reverse upward. We are going to go to smaller time frames to see if there is something there. Then also we're going to make a decision based on that. Now let's see the levels or the zones. You need to look at them for the coming days. Let me show it to you. Levels or zones, guys, as you see, we got that zone here at 106,990. We got that one here above 111,959, and we got that one down here 102,603. So those ones, the three levels, you can look at them, even that 100 moving average, but that one is going to be under that zone 106,990. So those ones, the three levels. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. By the way, guys, for other cryptocurrencies like the Ethereum, like the Sol, like the XRP, you can join our other YouTube channel. You can type here in YouTube Thomas Boleto altcoin, and you're going to find that channel, and make sure to subscribe even in that channel. But of course, if you want the altcoin analysis every day, we do it there. Now here for Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys, we got here that one here, as you see it, that up trend here. We touch it here. Now there is one of two is going to happen here. Either that Bitcoin is going to bring here a red candle like that and to break it, and we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping from here like that. That number one scenario, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Even that one, it's still imply. Is it that head and shoulder here? You remember what me I told you about it? That one here. I show it to you in the past videos. I've been showing it to you every day here in that channel. We told you to break it here, but based on the history, every time it do like that, fall down to that zone here or below the second shoulder, to liquidate it or to grab the liquidity from here, then after that to pump again. Even that one, it's possible, guys. Based on Bitcoin option, Bitcoin is going to spend another week sideways here, so there is no real move or we are not going to see huge volatility in that market, guys. That's the view here. Now you can make something like that, like a wage here. You see it, guys? That's a wage here. That one here is very simple. If it's getting broke here, it's going to dump. Second scenario, maybe from here, market going to come back to test the top of that wage here. Even that one is possible, guys. I think I explained everything here. We got something else here in Bitcoin, guys. Let me show it to you, which is very important. Here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys, as you see it, Bitcoin now is stuck between that two moving averages here. It's got the 20 above and the 50 down here, and those moving averages, they are very close to the chart those days because there is no volatility, and that the big daily limit those days. Now what is it, the view? As I show you, that one here, that uptrend here, either we're going to break it or we're going to fall down to test that 200 moving average, which is exactly at 105k. That number one scenario. Second scenario, from here, Bitcoin is going to reverse from that moving average or from that uptrend here, and it's going to go more higher. Even that one is possible, guys. Now, let's see our indicator, what it's saying today here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it in that zone where there is no one is controlling that market, no bulls, no bears. That means the sentiment, it's not bullish and it's not bearish. Also, we are here in the middle. So we need to have a clear direction. Tell either we enter to the zone where is the bulls they controlling, or we enter to the zone where is the bears they controlling. No matter how long that RSI staying there in that zone, that means there is no clear direction, no volatility. So you need to wait, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. Now, let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here, I want to show you why also we enter those trades. I show you we enter in them yesterday. Why, guys? Because look at it here. That here, I show it to you, even that one in yesterday video. Look at it here. Triple top here. Is getting broke here. That way also we're catching that trade tail down here. And that way also we're telling you, if you want to be updated quicker, you can join our private Discord if you are interested, of course, and we show you in the start of the video the way how to join it. Now, what is it, the view? Here, based on the coming hours or coming days, here you got a downtrend here, as you see it, guys. You see the downtrend here. Market gave us here a smaller double bottom here, but couldn't break here the downtrend here. If it's getting broke, that means you can catch along. That's possible, guys. Second scenario, that zone here, that one to be broke, and we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down to 105k. Even that one is possible, guys. Now what you can do, you can to that low here or that tail here, and you draw in here an uptrend like that. That uptrend, you waited to be broke for you to try to catch a short. That's the only thing I can tell you. By the way, guys, also we tell you that, and we say thousands of times, day trading those days is too dangerous. You need to avoid day trading. But it's up to you, my friend. Is your money, is you taking the risk, is you taking responsibility. I am here not giving you any advice to invest or no. So you need to be careful of what you're doing, my friend. All the content here is only for education purpose. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, we got here a bullish divergence, as you see it here. Should we enter a long based on that? Me personally, I'm not, because if you look in here, also we stay in here only in a zone where it's only bears the controlling, so it's very dangerous now to enter a long, unless if you got something else that's possible, guys. The only thing here I want to show you, even that one, guys, look at it here. If you're looking with me here, that downtrend here we got in the chart, look at it here. You see the downtrend here? Is it the same one, the one here? Here in that indicator of also is getting broke. Now you need a confirmation here telling you maybe the market is going to go more higher. If you want to be updated more quicker, you can join us. You can join our X. All those links, you can find them. Or you can just type in my name, Thomas Boleto, and you're going to find all the social media about me. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, guys, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment. And if it's possible, share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. In another video. Bye for now.